In this video, we will show you how to turn Myriad desk phone into the audio hub of your mobile via Bluetooth. An M7s Pro and iPhone 14 Pro are used as an example. Press the OK key to confirm the firmware version of the desk phone. The operation applies to ALE M7s Pro and M8 desk phones with firmware version 2.15 and above. Turn on the Bluetooth function from the mobile side. Go to the setting page of the desk phone by pressing Menu. Basic setting. Bluetooth. Enable the Bluetooth feature. Press Scan key to search the available devices. Select the device you want to connect. Press Connect to pair your phone with this device. Press OK key to confirm the connection. To synchronize the directory, make sure you have enabled the Sync Contacts function from the mobile. Now, the Bluetooth icon is visible on the home page and we can see the audio hub key and mobile account key are configured on the desk phone automatically. Go to Menu, Directory. We find that no external directory is enabled. Go back to Menu, Basic Setting, Bluetooth. Paired Bluetooth device, select the paired device. Click More, Detail, enable the Sync Bluetooth contacts and save. Go to Menu, Directory. We can find the external directory option now. Tap the Update key, wait until the mobile phone directory is synchronized with the desk phone. Let's have a test. Press the mobile account key to enter the dial pad, dial a number to make a call. The mobile is dialing out at the same time and the audio comes out from the phone side. The desk phone is operated as the audio hub now.